guys, welcome back to part 2 of our Star of Wonder quilt along. This is a completely free pattern at Fat Quarter Shop, so if you missed part 1, just go back, watch the first video, and download the free pattern. I did want to let you know this block is your easiest block, so you have something to look forward to, and if you're interested, we also have a free cross-stitch pattern. So go to fatquartershop.com, download your block 2, and let's get started. I'm going to be using the Once Upon a Christmas collection by Sweetfire Road for my quilt. I did want to give you a little hint and tell you that this block is going to go in the corner of your quilt, and the block is called Starlight. You're going to be making 4 blocks, super easy, so if you're a beginner, you can definitely look forward to this one. Once these are added to the quilt, it's going to really give you that magical feel. So let's get sewing on this easy block. Now looking at this pattern, we only use 1/4" seams. No sewing on a line, no half square triangles, nothing like that. Just super straight sewing. So you're going to take 2 fabric C squares and 2 fabric F squares. You're going to sew these together with a 1/4" seam, and your unit will look like this. You can press open or you can press towards the green on the first step and then press open on the second step. You're going to make 4 of those. Then from there, you're going to take a fabric B rectangle and add it to the right side. Now the biggest part here is you just want to make sure on the top right you have green and not white. Stitch that together, press to the white. Once you've done that, then you're going to add your fabric A to the bottom. And once that is done, this is going to look like this. Again, you're going to make 4. We're going to be using that same technique, and remember that top green in the top right. You're going to add E to the right, D to the bottom, and your block is going to be 8 inches finished. You're going to make 4 of those, and I bet you can get all of these blocks done in about 10% of the time it took you to make block 1. So I hope you have fun with this block. It's going to really add that special touch at the very end. So here's our Starlight block. It's 8 inches finished, super easy, and like I said, I gave you a little hint, it's going to go on the corner of your quilts, and you can look forward to week 3. It's going to be much more complicated than week 2, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week.